Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be very chill, very sit back and relax. I just kind of wanted to chat with you, give you my honest review about, I got my first ever FabFitFun box, and I don't want this to be an unboxing video. So if you clicked and you wanted to just watch an unboxing video, no. I want this to be me, you, hanging out, chill. And so if that's why you are here, get yourself a glass of wine. Don't forget to subscribe. We are going to have a good time, and let's get into this. Also, before we get into this, all of my social media stuff is linked, that's real technical. All of my Twitter, Instagram, all that sort of thing. Follow me elsewhere because I am active elsewhere and I love Instagram. That's my favorite. I'm trying to get more and more into Twitter, but all of those links are down below in the description box. And as always, if you enjoy yourself today, give this video a giant thumbs up, share it with everyone, tell everyone to come join us because we're drinking wine today. This is what I just poured, the Lastoria Zinfandel. This is one of my all-time favorite wines. Here's what it looks like. If you're not into Zin, you should be because this one's awesome. But they also make Cabernets and Merlots and other stuff, but this has chocolate and cherries and plums and oak and vanilla and cheers. It is so good. This wine is phenomenal. So, I've been out today. I had a lunch date. I met up with some friends. We did a little bit of shopping. And I came home and this was in my mailbox. Did you see that? I just totally knocked myself in the face. I wanted to give you my honest review about this. And I don't love to do unboxing videos because I don't like to watch unboxing videos. I don't like to make videos that don't interest me. But I thought this could be more than that. We're going to chat. This is my first box ever, so I wanted to give you my thoughts on it. And it's going to be honest, as always. So the first thing in my box, I'm actually really excited about this because I currently am very, very sore. And look at this. This is a massager. I watched a few other videos just to kind of see what other people got. And a few people were like, what is this? I can tell you, if you lift weights, which I'm not sitting over here saying I've been doing that regularly because I haven't. So I lifted weights for the first time in months. And I am ripped. I am so sore. I seriously get often on the toilet like this. TMI, I know, but if you've ever lifted weights and then you took a break and you got back into it, it literally is ripping your muscle. And so I'm super excited about this. It feels terrible, but it really does release the tension. Now, I see that there is this magazine in here that tells you all about the box. I'm assuming this one says it's our 5th anniversary. Yay! Okay, so I want to tell you how much this is worth because I think, yes, I did read that the total value of the box is between $350 and $354.99. Huh? No, $347. Is that what I said? I don't know. Okay, so this is the Physique 57 massage roller, and it retails for $20. Tip, throw this in your carry-on bag when traveling. This would take up a lot of space in a carry-on. Just saying. I don't think this would be priority for me to put in my travel, but, you know, if you're really chronically sore, I guess. But anyways, this is like a love-hate relationship with my thighs and my hamstrings right now. So yeah, it comes with a magazine that tells you all about it. It's actually a really well-done magazine. There's like people in here talking about the products, and it's like interviewing. Like, it's actually very informational. I was honestly just going to throw this away. Good thing I decided not to. Okay, so I guess I should tell you about the box. I think this retails for $50 and you get it quarterly. I might just be pulling that out of my tushy, but I think that is the specs on this. I'm not 100% sure on that. All right, next we have what looks like a piece of jewelry. This is from Maya Brenner, Los Angeles. Nice little tote thing to keep it in. And we have a empty card. Okay, that must be inside. Yes, it is. This is a bracelet. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's tiny. Oh my. Okay. That would be for my daughter's size wrist. It says love. Very, very cute. Very fine chain. Oh my gosh, I don't even think we can we see that? It says love. It's very pretty. I love little bracelets. You can layer with them, but look how tiny this is. Like, like, it's so tiny. It is adjustable. There is one, like, you can, okay, does this say? It doesn't say. This is $65, and pair this dainty piece with a statement watch, it says, which is what I would do. Or just, you know, throw it on. But it looks like that. That's very cute. So that retails for $65. Next we have this, It says Rachel Pally. I don't know who that is, but I kind of like this. I'm not sure if the colors are me, but I can see how I could pair this with some, like a cute white dress. It's a clutch, so check it out. This is leather, I believe. This is $60. It is a reversible clutch in Bloom, Zahara, or Paradise. I don't know what mine is called, but it looks like that. That is actually really pretty. I don't know why I did this, like I'm going to wear it. So it has a cute little tassel detail, which I really like that. And the inside is actually really nice. There's like pockets in here. Like, this is legit. I would actually use this. You know, in like boxes and stuff like this, you get things that you would never buy for yourself, and that can be like a really negative thing. Like, I would literally never wear that. And other times you were like, you know what? I never thought about that, but I kind of like it. So you never know what you're going to get, which is a risk. But so far, I would say that for $50, this is already a good risk. Is this $50? Siri, where are you? Siri, how much is the FabFitFun box? Okay, so it says boxes are shipped in March, June, September, and December, and you can pay the bills. Okay, blah blah. Oh, so it's $180 for a full year, or $50 a box. Well, daggone, that's a pretty good deal. Okay, so this was the third thing. Next, we have a candle, and this is the Anderson Lily Super Bloom. I think it smells really nice. I like the cylinder. Like, I would burn this down and definitely keep this to store either pens in or makeup brushes or something like that. It's very florally. I guess I don't know what the notes are because I took it out of the box already, because I don't like to have extra packaging to have to like deal with when I'm doing this. I like to just sit down and talk about things. Plus, I'm like crazy about paper and packaging, and I can't. It makes, like, I get joy, like true joy, true satisfaction out of throwing things away. Like, I put it, like, using stuff up, I get, like, really, probably abnormally happy about using things up. Okay, it's copper. This is the Sunset Collection candle. Florals. Is that what it says, florals? Nope, that was something else. Okay. It smells wonderful. I mean, it's not my typical smell that I enjoy, but it's very springy and stuff like that. Okay, so how much is this? The candle is $45. Wow, that's an expensive candle. How big is this? This is not even that big. Let's see. Made with hand-poured coconut wax blend in a cotton lead-free wick, the candle delivers a clean, even-burning fragrance. Wow, that's an expensive candle. Okay, I will be savoring this until next year. Isn't this the cutest little glass ever? So next we have just a little sample of the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, crushed macadamia and rice milk. Sponsored. I don't know what that means. Sponsored items are always a bonus. Additional sponsored items may be included. So apparently Dove sponsored this subscription or something. I think this is a new product though. I mean, it looks like it might be something yummy. I do like the Dove body wash. It smells really good. But yeah, okay, anyways, moving on. All right, next we have the Dermalect. Dermalect? Oh, I need this. I need this next product because my nails are so gross. This is a concealing ridge filler, professional lacquer formula. Well, you know, I have this thing where I pick at my nails, my cuticles, so my nails, when they come in, are they're literally completely full of ridges. I don't chew my nails, but I like, you know, pick and blah, blah, blah. So they're gross, but so this is going to help. And funny enough, when my husband saw that this came in the box, when I was taking all the packaging off, he's like, can I use that on mine? I'm like, go for it. So this is what that looks like, and okay, this is $18. It's a, let's see, it's a green formula, DBP, formaldehyde, and toluene free. So there's that. I'm actually kind of excited about this next thing. This is by Free People, and it's a sleeping thing. No, it's not. It's not a sleeping thing because it's got gel in it, so you can put this in the freezer and then wear it. So I would think if you got a headache or you're just like, your eyes are puffy or something in the morning, but then you'd have to like sit back down in your bed. Like, who has time to do that? You know what I mean? Let it like depuff. I don't know. It's an understated leather, starry-eyed travel eye mask. Oh. Oh, wait a minute. It's got a non-toxic cooling insert. So are you going to like travel with this on your eyes? What? I thought it was like you put it in, oh, that's tight. Oh. Oh, it does have cooling. That is cool. I thought this was something you like put in the freezer, but I kind of like this. I mean, I don't travel. I mean, does traveling to the grocery store count? No, because then I'm driving. And fun fact, I drive everywhere we go, even if my husband's with me. I'm like the permanent chauffeur. Like, he does not like to drive. So this retails for $40. I mean, I would never sleep with that on my face, but... Alright, next we have something I really don't know if I'm going to use a lot, because I don't like stuff like this, but this is the Ish. What a I hate to say this, but... Ish is not a word I would normally associate with a makeup product. Like, ish, like, ew. Like, I use that word as, like, ish. Like, gross. Anyways, it's the Ish Lip Statement Palette, and it comes with lots of pretty colors, but... I don't know, do you guys like stuff like this where you gotta go find a brush and then dip the brush into this? And what happens when you want to use a different color? Then do you go clean the brush? Or do you do what I do and put the dirty brush back in here and 3 years later realize you probably should wash it? Yeah. I mean, excuse me, the colors are beautiful. How much is this? I've never heard of this Ish. Oh. Okay, I turned it around and it says hashtag I'm smoking hot. That's what it stands for. Okay, that's a little bit more, okay, that makes more sense. Okay, so these are 11 pigmented shades and 1 balm that gives your lips a beautiful pop of color. $42. Let's see, read through the magazine to find out. There's like Ish20 is a code you can use to save 20%. I've never heard of this brand. But yeah, that's what it looks like. $42, and it comes with a little brush. You know, some of these colors are kind of... Let's try this. Let's try this. You know what? Let's take off this lipstick and try this out. Yeah, I'm actually doing this. Okay. Let's go for one of these pink colors. Maybe one of these... Ooh, they're really creamy. Okay. This is actually kind of nice. You know what? You could throw this in your purse since it has the brush in it. This could be a nice addition. Or if you travel. Or if you're a makeup artist. Because these colors are pretty creamy. Okay. I get it. Let's put a little... Okay, I'm eating my words. I'm eating my humble pie. It's nice. Okay, I like it. It's almost like a satin finish, really nice. Okay, okay, I get it. That's nice. And that's $42. Cat hair free. Ugh. Oh my gosh, that wine is so good. It makes me want to go eat my cake. So I made a chocolate cake, like a huge cake. It took me all day to bake this cake because you got to make the cake. It was like a double layer thing. You got to let it cool, and then you got to clean everything up, and then you got to make the frosting, and then like, okay, and then you got to frost the cake, and that was my downfall. Like, it didn't turn out looking that great because I kind of didn't. Okay, it wasn't perfect, but this cake is phenomenal. It was huge, and so I had to freeze half of it. So it's in the freezer, and that's all I can think about. Whenever I open a red wine that's amazing, all I can think about is chocolate. The next thing I'm actually really excited about, this is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. It looks like this. Let me tell you why I'm excited about it. Because it has retinol in it. And so if you're going to use this during the daytime, you're going to have to do an SPF because retinol will speed up the sunburn in your skin. So, okay, lightweight oil-free moisturizer provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. I wonder if this is a newer product, like if these are all things that are newer. This is $40 for this moisturizer. It minimizes the appearance of pores, refines texture, and smooths. Chelsea, you need to slow down on that wine. Soothes redness and irritation. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. This definitely is something that you always need a moisturizer. Okay, and the last thing in here is it's telling me that there's a beauty choice item and a jewelry choice item. So you can choose whether you want which jewelry item you want and which beauty item you want. This is $24.99 and it's this little camo bag and that's it. Just kidding. No, there are lip masks. KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. Well, you know what? It's kind of dry around here lately, so you're supposed to apply this and it's going to have nothing in it. All natural, no parabens, no sulfates, no artificial dyes or fragrances, and no animal testing. You know what? I get the feeling that all of this is a little bit more like natural, like, you know, like products that don't have chemicals in them. So I kind of liked this. I think that for $50, if you want to do a subscription box where you'd actually probably get things in it that you'd use and could wear, this would be a good subscription service. It has well over $300 in my box, and there's actually things in here. I'm excited about this bracelet. I will absolutely carry that clutch. I will use the moisturizer. I'm not so sure how often I'll use the eye mask. My nails are thankful for the ridge filler, and I guess you know what? I am kind of excited about this. You know what? They need to write "I'm smoking hot" on the front, because when I see "ish," it's just like strange to me. This is an expensive candle. I mean, I'm grateful for it, but that is a lot of money for a little. It's not even filled to the top. It's like kind of not. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like these kinds of things, if you want me to do more like, I don't know. I don't get any other subscription services, so if you want me to unbox the next box, let me know if this was like, yeah, this was kind of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and if you did enjoy yourself, you know what to do. Thank you for watching, and we will chat very soon. Bye, guys.